Ito, pag-usapan natin ang pinaka-latest na post ni Sas Rugando Sasot. 1 hour ago na i-post niya ito. Nakakatawa itong si Sas, nakakahanga itong si Sas Rugando Sasot. Sa post niyang ito, naisahan niya si Congressman Dan Fernandez, pati na rin si Speaker Martin Romualdez, naisahan. Plus, may matindi siyang hamon kay Congressman Ace Barbers. Ito, sabi niya, I have once again received an invitation from the Honorable Dan Fernandez of the House of Representatives of the Philippines. Since this is a matter of public concern, I am posting my reply to his invitation. Attached is the screenshot and below is the full text. Ito, imbitasyon ng TRICOM para mag-attend si Sas sa TRICOM hearing. Dear Honorable Dan Fernandez, it is with great honor that I acknowledge the invitation extended to me by the Committee on Public Order and Safety, Information and Communications Technology, and Public Information. I am particularly moved by your emphasis on leveraging my knowledge and experience with social media with the end and view of promoting accountability, authenticity, and digital well-being. Okay. Meron siyang in-emphasize yung promoting accountability, authenticity. Dito niya naisahan si Congressman Fernandez and Speaker Romualdez. Okay. This hearing aligns closely with your committee's mandate to address matters directly or principally relating to the suppression of criminality. Yan, dito na yung naisahan. In the spirit of promoting accountability, authenticity, and the suppression of criminality, I am attaching a copy of the decision of 26 Capital et al. Versus Tiger Resort Asia et al. CA number so and so. This case, ito na yung Okada case, yung heavy luggage. This case decided on September 7, 2023 by Vice Chancellor James Trevor Luster, Delaware County Chancery of United States, concerns a broken deal involving the SPAC transaction related to Okada Casino. One of the key issues in this case was whether Universal Entertainment Corporation, the parent company of Okada Casino, engaged in bribery involving House Speaker Martin Romualdez, a matter infamously referred to as the heavy luggage issue. After a 5-day trial in 2023 involving testimonies from 13 fact witnesses, 4 expert witnesses, and 2,281 exhibits, Vice Chancellor Luster established as a material fact that House Speaker Romualdez received a dodgy bargain through the intercession of his associates Michelle Lazaro and James Lorenzana. Nakatanggap ng dodgy bargain. Ito na yung heavy luggage. The court findings. Prior to this ruling, House Speaker Romualdez denied these allegations. However, the court's thorough examination of the facts contradicts his denial. This discrepancy raises serious questions about authenticity and accountability. Dito na yung naisahan na sinasabi ko. Issues that fall squarely within your committee's mandate to suppress criminality. The moral authority and legitimacy of your committee depend on its willingness to hold even the most powerful individuals accountable. Failure to do so would undermine public trust in your mandate. You also mentioned, dito na yung hamon kay Congressman Barbers. You also mentioned in your letter that this invitation is connected to the December 2024 privilege speeches of Honorable Representative Ace Barbers.
I'm here.
Keep quiet. His speech alleged that bloggers are being paid by drug syndicates and individuals involved in Pogo, while Representative Barbers did not name specific individuals. Yan, sino. While Representative Barbers did not name specific individuals, I would like to address this matter directly. Ito na yung hamon. If Representative Barbers' accusations are truthful, and if I am among those he is accusing of being paid by drug syndicates or Pogo, I propose the swiftest solution to resolve this issue. As I mentioned in my earlier email, I have been residing in China. No. I have been residing in China since August 2023, while I am pursuing a PhD in International Relations in Beijing. Involvement in and online gambling are serious in China. Okay, ito na yung hamon. I would welcome the consequences, even if it means facing the ultimate penalty of being summarily executed. So, ang hamon dito is sampahan ng kaso si Sasasot sa China, di ba? Like the Filipino people, the Chinese people would definitely be happy seeing someone involved in and online gambling erased on earth. Okay, so ulitin ko ha. If Representative Barbers can substantiate his accusations in a court of law here in China. So, di ba, hamon ito na sinasabi ni Sas, kung involved ako kung paid na binabayaran ako ng mga decades, di patunayan niya dito sa China at handa akong summarily executed. Death penalty daw doon ng drug So, yun. Once again, I thank you for your invitation. I had the privilege. So, yun na. Respectfully, Sas Rogando Sasot. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Wais talaga itong si Sas Rogando Sasot.